me se sa dwum we no me be ye dwumade na se ebobosa na se me gya dwum emu nsem no sa wote ase pa ade a enya ade a me de me kasa bia bebre baba be hawo edin ba kope abusua din ba kope o edin ba kope ene nyame no ano wa hyeda boapa amaso. It is only one name that God has lifted above every name. Dr. Mary Ganza, thank you very much for that inspirational song. Edin ba kope ono na se woda koduo mu na ono ni twa kwanya ono na se wode na etika mu twa kwanya ono se wode ne wawade no mu na twa kwan no a na semfra mabi ye na dwene se botia wo a edi ba kope ya no edi ba kope and I introduce that name. Me just said Dino the Chiro. Said Dino. Titia Puno. Mumwebwe. Na said Nibunyami Hine no Enfem. Oya Hinimo Hine. Oya Yamimu Yame. Oya Brempo. Oya Katechie. Oya Nyansabu Aqua. Ono na ka ebemu ono na sha ejina sadi yo binime se ayi nyina na ye ho atoye wa abrabo yi mo na so betimi abom modena awiata so asinkete abawadwene pose. If only you walk with this name, you sleep with this name, you talk with this name, you eat by this name. Jesus. Nafe yebasi ye no mo sadien. Se nyankopon wo ye na fa. Why na oni ye mbetumi adi asie ayasem bisa. Nafe yebasi ye no mo kura mpo sei. Nafe yebasi ye no mo say. What can we say to these things? What can we say? What can we say? What can we say to these things? What can we say? How can I say? What can I say? What should I say? Roman fongo maneting or change chemwe dia sabako. Na afe ya best no say. You be can say, you bet you must say, na afe, you bet you must say, so onyankopon e wo yen afa, so nyame wo me mafa, so nyame wo me YAW OWUSU ANSAH mafa, so nyame wo afia Monica afa, so afia. Se nyame wo ye na fa se mami jo se nyame wo ye na fa sisi mama na man se nyame wo wa fa Ajua Okorewa Vivian Efwa Santua Jane Abraham Poma Pat Kwekuata Peter El Kwabna Anaman and all the Anaman family say nyame wo ye na fa Amasisi Anaman say nyame wo wa fa why you couldn't be a minim within a Ghana and Kwan will be you kuna Ghana nkwa no be kuna na wo mo ayetimi ato aba ma wo mo se wo mo enye parliamentarians itimi de kuna ye esere obi Ghana nkwa politics de moya munya mananya times because wo me ma no am sere wo ba no dako ubewu no waja oyere dako ubewu na so your ba na so your ba nyansafo a adibi wono ma yemfa ni agro eche se so obi kura pagya ba wo so we de mama yenko adibi wono ma yemfa ni agro wiase a adibi wono ma so obi kura nyema nyina na yedidi agro wiase aba men show obi a wo yekura ni bia men show nkura oye kunani a onye mogya kafo ogu oye kunani a onye bayifo ayade e beto obi a ya na wunim da wo de beba arunti yo so de wabrabo ne si ho yi ene wo yire nya fine ene okuru nya fine wodako no wagya hokọ dako ye nyina ye begija ho akọ wo ye dane a etwase nipa wu ba akopẹ ye ngumi ye no Hebrew fongwa na se etwase nipa bi awu baako na ni wo na chi no atemu wo ho wunim se de me ne wom ye no ye koye ba ye yakokoam ne pefe mu nyina no ye bekọ akogire nyame ye nim ye wo kana kokoam amente udi matem esopa me wo hia me anu aka papa ni nyina bede di wo nyame ye nim ofra me wo sofo nanso utwa bome saa twa bome ewa wo yira nim ewa wo kuna nim ene wo kasa nim wo sopa wo sofo de wo sopa panyini bi wia ni nyina ye bekọ akogina nyame ye nim dako na efe ya basi we no say na efe ya basi we no say what can we say to the extent like I said things ayabasi ye no say senyankopo ewo ye na fa me drive ba nyina na me bisa say ebe ye den na nyame a wo mafa ma me dwa home se ne osi gu home senyame wo me mafa and me bisa no say how can God be on my side? How will God be on my side? Is it by going to Bible school, Sunday school? Is it by getting closer to a great man of God or woman of God? Is it by speaking in tongues? And I just submit me echo to scriptures, baby. But there is a need for God to be on your side. Oh yeah. Ladies and gentlemen, Mami Jo Chire. Say nyame wo wafa. There must be some indication. Yes. Say nyame wo wafa. In fact, wo kasakura no people must know that abranti. On kai say asumafo nyuma no 89 was say no mo share Peter the kasa e de akoko duro e no mo kan say enya de a wako suku wonko suku da why illiterate nanso so mo share the kasa no mo share the communication no mo share the boldness no wo say abrantie o de Yesu anante Yesu nantia enye cross oda ukom enye rose ebekuta wo enye Bible asun wo, but there must be something that people can see and look which will indicate that indeed this man and this woman we you nyame ba woni nyame wa apam what kai say na yaton Joseph what kai there me paraphrase you guys and ya told Joseph. That's what you so okodru. Aye Potiphar fear no. Potiphar no can say. Since you came into this house, a free da wo be fear hano. Ye hunu and society wo yen enema ye nyina mu no okọ ho nche yo se nyame wo wafa se nyame wo wafa abusia besi ehia se nyame wo wafa na o ka se Joseph koda efiase o koda efiase yo ne master yire Mrs. Potiphar say wa yeso ane ne ba beda Mrs. Potiphar ewiase ntwanto so na Mr. Potiphar wo pe Joseph asempa gie di say Joseph or a rapist because the Iraka we didn't need to do a prisoner a enchanto so na do makoto we didn't need to do a prisoner a enchanto so. Do you know the number of people that you are different because of enchanto so and you na the kasa bebreu it will be on the assem to the so o se nyame mfa se mayo se menye yo the jama nyame ye be gune ni mu aso ye be sopa no ye be bre wase babusia nyame wana bo soro ni asase o wodi aso obi si wo ajewu kunu obi si wo ajewo yire obi si wo yiwadi na se nyame wo wafa abusia ka segbe kura se nyame wo wafa wa Facebook no mo twere Facebook for memo makwaba Adom 106.3 in here abusia Roman fongo matingo twinchichemu a ayaduasa baako e hono na me bia no kakra na afa ya besi ye no masan se onya se onyankopon sa word onyankopon what you say there the Elohim the obo suro ni asase the I am that I am when him say so kan ho a yantwere no obo maso o Bible say ma asem to won he then you will see sa ensa no a e ka ho na di wachi anapawia ne anadworo you will then demonstrate in your quietness. And I don't know what guy Daniel, yes, he will be a mom pie. And a Daniel called bomb pie. Bible is a bomb pie, no. And why the about changes here, the name called to Jatabu. And a Daniel, ye these among Flamenco. But the men casa. We knew of your Becabia Mame, we did come out for, we did keep out for. There's so many Mississippi one yame. Naturally, I bring what yes, I know. I was in a day too. Jata minimum. Also, Daniel. Man to me, Anjo. And so when young Copano, I was summoned a da. No. Or did I bet you won't? When I was summoned a da no. I'm not about you. Empire the Daniel 2 Jatabu. I did cheer. What he the call ya? Was it Daniel? When young Copano, what you wanna? Kado Shaga. Say young Copa, why enough? Say young Copa, why enough? Say young Copa, why enough? Abusia. There is nothing that you can compare to your relationship with God. There is nothing. Also, there is nothing. I saw the page, there is nothing. Osikani, there is nothing. Ohiani, there is nothing. Osigani, Abranti Ababawa, there is nothing. If the Lord God is on your side, who could bet me a reject you? Or you bet me a reject you? Or boss bet me a reject you? Abusia Penny bet me a reject you? Ghana, buy bet me a reject you? Your own power send be to me a connive. They will cast insinuation and spells. They will ridicule you publicly. Yabafra a dear hoodwa. That's when Uncle Paul wafa. Why? Why? Who can be against us? If the Lord God is on our side, Mami Jo, say nyame wa yana fa. Say nyame wa yana fa. Say nyame wa yana fa. Ah, say nyame wa yana fa.
Papa obi enu ho.
Adia ba ko ehia no say nyame wa yana fa. So nyame wa yana fa. Nyame wa yana fa. Ebede na nyame ya wa mafa. Ebede.
Esa se mehwehwe nyame wa ba mafa.
Amahaka.
Esa se mehwehwe nyame. Sanse nyame eno de osoro ne asase etim ho. Eno de me bedue mu. Enti se me na nyame de me ba ade a esa se mehwehwe nyame.
It is only God.
Eni pa de se ni bia na. Enya ba mistake na oba asase.
It is only God.
Onyankopon na do ba.
It is only God.
Enti se onyankopon na do ba ade.
It is only God.
Esa se wo hu se wo ye nyame bia. Na wo hwehwe nyame no.
Hwehwe nyame.
Hwehwe nyame no.
Hwehwe nyame.
Nyame na ayo aba wa.
Hwehwe nyame. Hwehwe nyame. Isaiah 55 was say hwehwe urade wa abra wo betimi ehu no. Hwehwe no.
Ya hwehwe no so obami ehu.
Oh, obami ehu no dodo. Urade bami ehu no. Oni akirikyiri o. Oben ye kyen atade e hyeyen. Oben ye kyen atade a hyeyen. So hwehwe no a obami ehu no.
Enti se hwehwe no dia na ye de ho ahwo ehu te se de Roman ngoma eken. Se onyankopon wo mafa.
E wo ye na fa. Se nyame wo mafa. Se nyame wo mafa.
Biere ni ho a wo so se nyame we ya. Obetimi message.
Nyame wo mafa. Nyame wo mafa.
Obentimi ni
se nyame wo mafa.
So free say ono no onim de besimi masetena mu. Afia no be ko pembre. Sa was nyame me madwen ane na adwen.
Isaiah 55 verse 8.
Enti wo mafa.
Was enya ono na dwene. And then you want the thoughts and the ways. Our thoughts and ways. Thoughts and ways of the Lord. Thoughts and ways of the Lord. Say Yami Wamafa. Auntie Felicia. I'm Felicia. Can I see Presby? Say Yami Wayanafa. Why? The why means why. Also, Jenny. Dear Yehunu, home any one say Yame Wayana fa, why the bit to me any yang a DSC. A republic to me a bua one no. I yet said they are fighting against you on the planet. Say they can conspire. Then can we just missing conference. Now so Yame Woma Fenty. Woman susu sise epnane na hwiegu nyame o mafen so nyame wo ye nafa enti abusua ade ba ku ehia ne hia wo wiase ya se ye ahwehwe nyankopon se wo bewo wafa
be manyame
wo se nyame wo wafa wan kasa ade e frɛ ne bone wo kodi kura na wo yam hyehyɛw na wo yam hyehyɛw
se nyame wo mafa
nyame o ye kronkron Oya kron. Say nyame wo afa apim to benkum opidu to difa boni entumi enkaw wani wanko a na de behwe ni wo huna boni fo wo makatua wo pa ntokwa nanso so emfri wo pa ntokwa enkrofo pa ntokwa
Tokwane de wo hyeheba nanso esanse nyame ma ho kwan de he ebeba beto wanim na tokwane kwa sa ya asafoforo entimi nyina
se nyame wo ye na fa se nyame owo ye na fa ye ba se we no mo sai ye ba ka we no mo sai se nyame wo ye na fa ebusu enye slogan enye entertainment ese se nyame wo wafa ese se wo ja wa brabo ma nyame ese se wo ja wo kasa ma nyame efa se nyame wo wafa your choice of words send your bekasa asema be pia free wanum no obi abetumi a conclude say indeed nyame wo wafa asema to ya pa nanso na wo sere ya twa asema to so nanso no wa yedi se nyame wo wafa ekon no nya wo kon da With men come out, say Nyame wo wafa. The battle will never be your battle. Every battle, all form of battle, spiritual battles, economical battles, marriage battles, sickness battles, every battle. Obeju free.
Na Joseph onyankopon wana fenti no wono de na wonya hwe nanso de edi to ne sunti no na sese edi no kotomu na nyankopon wana fenti no ye ni free prison ho e ma ne be ye o ma mpene
se nyame wo wafa wo betimi at the prison Nanso so na nyame wo afa. No osiesie in the process of time you become a prime minister. Se nyame wo afa. Wa hwe ase ebe ye wo mpagya. Se nyame wo afa. Wa hwe ase ebe ye wo mpagya. Se nyame wo afa. Wo ka ebe ba be mu aye rich. Very rich. Rich. Nyame wo mafa. Nyame enti wo mafa. Enti wo mafa. Everybody to wo mafa na. Everybody to wo mafa. Eti nyame wo mafa na. So nyame wo afa. O conscience kura kire. Se ne wadwene, wonsusuye, wakoma mu, enema bia wo dwire biara, it must glorify God. Wo dressing kura kire, se nyame wo afa. Nyame wo ye pure, wo nyame wo ye holy, wo nyame wo ye kronkron. Kasa mu eni yoyem, nyame o ye kronkron. Se ne wo badwene, ese se nyame ye kronkron. Wo di obi kuna chia, wo di obi yire chia, wo wi aban sika, wo twa atro wo krom ha, wo twa atro wo radio so, na wo twa atro, na wo sa bonya me din. Wo bonya me din. Oh God, me why you are lying. This God is a true God. Wo betra radio so, wo kika wo tiatia, waje bribe, waje nkrofo sika, na wo kasa, e wo radio ni television so. Wo dwen se wo bia ehuru ye. O hinta dua chiri. Bia ehuru ya. Wo nyame wo ehuru. If God is on your side, Facebook for no more kasa. E person ya more kasa no. Ba mama ma hunti ase se. Enye Facebook a wo twere no. E na be kire se nyame wo afa. Benyame ngo wafa e wo watwere yem. Benyame mo ngo wafa e wo watwere mu. Benyame ngo wafa e wo wakoma mu. Benyame ngo wafa e wo nantiem. Benyame ngo wafa e wo dabrem. Benyame ngo wafa e wo soriem. Wo driving kura wo drive wo. Sisi se nyame wo wafa o drive wo. You think about the passengers. If God is on your side, you become courteous, well cultured. Mami Joe.
Say yama nyame anya yafa yebeye ye niema pasa na nyame wo ya fentino enti na yetimi di akokodu ka se hwan
na betumi ne ye de asi yesu susuru abayifo yesu susuru emframa na ebo no enra Christ Congregation Assembly, my friends say Presbyterian Church Adantan of a fee in Jehovah and Jehovah of a fee in Jehovah and Jehovah and Jehovah your monikers your cannibal na me kanya me asaba na me say Yesu wo podumu a na Yesu wo hyen no so a emframa na eba no waje oje wo kokoma oje wasem kama odi ya sema yenda okaya sema yenda se nyame wo wafa apembeto benkumu opitu beto nifa bekire se akodie bia de wo ebotia wo ya no eba ya adwuma hwan de betumi ne wadi asi de okachire o se tena ho na obehunu no wopoa de okachire o se wo de atwe na ade amayew next year no what about next year se enei nyame gye mframa no efiri ne nsem a obeye den ya mo bi mo kasate se de wiase ya modea mo kasate se de wiase mo na mo control mframa mo na mo control emframa. The breath that we take, it comes from this great God. Don't boast yourself. Don't boast. Ubetima your sojourning, ubetima your police, ubetima your politician, ubetima your hene, ubetima your hema. Don't boast yourself of today. Don't boast. A brother nyawodia, a dada nyawodia. But say we are see ya, a chamu ko nyawodia, obidia. We are see where obidia. Yegyina ebegyina nyame yenem ne yebu atay a obebu yatay se nyame wo wafa se nyame wo wafa se nyame wo wafa
edie na wonam mu
edie na wonam
edie ne wo hawo mususu se ne aduro na apem na se wogire se nyame wo wafa de a enhwe ne wo hu ne sesei no ne wo hu ne sesei no etwam akọ se nyame wo wafa se nyame wo wafa se nyame wo wafa why adie ne betimi ne wadi asie yare a wonam mu sesei wo se asedua na so no se mawie se nyame wo wafa abusia ena fia dai ye betimi a present ya ma wan se nyame ngo wafa
Menyame ngo wafa. Obese nyame wo wafa. Untua sika, untua kapre, untua dama. Aye wano na ode bepa mu aka se owura Yesu Kristo bra betra makoma mu. Mesro ba bia wo bia wo Facebook, wo radio no so, wo te kam, wo te basim, wo tu kwaya chirichiri wo so da ye bi say as wanya accident. Mamenchiro. Nyame wo wafa ntino. Obehwe wo so, ho ma asem bi da biara da. E pa cho ba bia wo bia no. Ka asem we bi di ma say owura Yesu. And if you are day, me YAW OWUSU ANSAH. Mijama brabo. Mijama dwene. Mijama koma. Mijama ni pedua. Mijama mfomso. Mijama mreye. Mijama boni amaye. Mijama nyina ma wawurade. Awurade. Wo boss ro di asase. Ah wo pame me YAW OWUSU ANSAH asem. Awurade. And if you are done pay. Bijame homa. Bra betra me mo. Family de ope. Boni biara amaye biara. Papa fami bone cheme. Hohoro me ho. Na tell me ho. Na bra betra me mo. Nyame sunson konkron. Mesro family adwuma. Sane ye wankasa ope. If it's a say wo mafa. Bibi bia ni ho a. Ebetumi akon atua me a. Ebeye yeda. Beda wase. So wo de me bone a chem. Me ne mabusua. Yede ye homa o. Me ne mabusua. Yede ye homa o. Ye jaya brabo ma o. Fire yede ye wo pe. E wo Jesus Christ dey mo. Amen. Baby I will be on 1 minute. Me mama me joy bompa yede ama wo se wo de wo ho ama Awurade. You have rededicated yourself or you have given your life to Christ, and that is what is important in the sight of God. If a Bible says what the boy any ba ko sachira na dwene a abofo mpempem anije sa confession ya ye abofo boy ensem so kafiri wakoma mu a you have been accepted, you have been forgiven, and adwama ya boy no Awurade won kai bio. And they are rather the way just 1 minute. A bomb pioneer we are. Mama kwai who are to me abua prison. Yan target no. Ambulance. And yama and so one prisons. And Ramwa Moya Kakrana Maya dear by Yandru Babia. Mama Joe Pacho Bompaye. What a came what drive up found Satua Kumaswa Braya Bompaye. A radio bonning in a monosa Elemakasaka from Wakodrubia, Napayan Saya Chinsamara. Say the Yano Permacasa, Elemokoshaga, no Yanko Ponya Nefra, Mago Rabakasa, Nayadia Kuma Jit, Lekabakos, and the Meka, and I'm a post. The Yapem Wakania Jedianti, Lebo Shanana. Hallelujah. 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 If you say no pay work so on yanko pon ya fa and pay ya pese baba wafa and to be bien the way yadawase ma doba Yesu Kristo would not do me yet na ya be ya doba Yesu yakoshaga bahaya yakato marada. Amen. Amen and amen and amen and amen and amen. Abusia, let's go. Yaboni see you no. And then you bring your better so. I will pass the sorry there. You better so. Our Christ congregation. Now if you never again so nana joy just and I do busy butu cry. Be butu cry. Or so for Bekasa no just say why fire preacher. I'm so for the fire preacher, and I believe Nyamebe Father so I shradi amaye bebre. So for my Kiolokai, he is a blessing. Mama no among Kobokakra. What do you say? The way I see and say, yeah, to ambulance at the Ama a year. and someone praises. To me amount to be obebuabiano, it is appreciable and acceptable. 0244 710 311 0244 710 311 and 0509 151010 0509 151010 0244 710 311 ambulance no mo Facebook on the obonse manyana sa obonse ewoso ya twere Adom Ahengua ambulance for Nsawam prisons and one ye betwere go ho Adom Ahengua ambulance for Nsawam prisons. Ayua hey kriti adodo to us kriti to us Adom Ahengua ambulance for Nsawam prisons and no one ye betwere e de egu onomo na che ye de akwa command Nsawam prisons 0244 710 311 and I say 0509 151010 and no one yeah bomodra mo Facebook no drop amount obetumi dia a support mo and no mo kan ye nyina no mon send emfambra because here ye papa yeah pa Sarah they come be with what yeah some Messiah come be with what yeah I hear what you come be with what yeah Miss Shorty Sarah they come be with what yeah some Messiah come be with what yeah I hear what you come be with what yeah Miss Shorty Enwan ye say woman ho kwan na ojawa brabo merade a obeka ho no no wanante wonna wori tia wiase nyina and someone prisons project 0244 710 311 0244 710 311 and at 0509 151010. Over send the euros, a pound, dollar, Ghana cedis. Push and push and push and push and bring it. Ya type number no dia go Facebook no so dada and more was so dada and so you can just contribute. A crabby obetumi bia, gra was bia the pound, the euro, the dollar, and the yen, the Canadian dollar. The obetumi a support to bia. Edia wo de be no eye Odami Labi Samuel Odami Labi. But I say we be a question. Eliano Oforinsia or say Indi Ben Yedebe me power chow. Thank you very much. One more Facebook and I damase. Hey, looting for Luton Resurrection Power and Living Bread Ministries International. Also for no daughters, my mama shedden. Cynthia, when I had now. More far, and the union I offer free more. They see and I prepare here about quiet of our peer a year. I wish you a penny or no, so I will London now or no of a sapon or no air bow or be ban next month. Ya na what be near ye and no one so free. My Busiana Shadone cry. Yes, I way and met me the not catch them. Are you a kind of Adna Mama Yaw? So throw me no a any honey. Mama by Facebook ring in Amsterdam, Monfa dear Embramo contribution 0244 710 311 Samuel Odami Labi 0244 710 what if you would hear me on the only Facebook. I know what so much project women on there. kakra bi a de bebe bia no kakra sa na ye tete so 0244710311. Minia Woody Adio 0509151010. Then you know bet me send it through the mobile network 0244710311. MTN mobile money. Prison project. Maybe if you will video. Prison project. Yeah, to ambulance. Into 1,000, 2,000, 100, 500, 600. Yeah, budget. And then all night, you know, I bet you wonderful time. Mrs. Anaman. You never better what you watching on pa. Na ya kuja ukuno kwai. Musiana you know me mama shaden kra. Evelyn my friend wa amfa o. Me flare wa amfa wate. Me flare wa. I want them wa ya friend mo amfa o. All right. Thank you very much for the whole week. But that's one pie bar over mammy. But that's it. And the one in Cocraphobia Mobom Pie Mammy. But I must say, Brantian and my Bawa Mobom Pie Mammy. But I must say, care for it. Good morning. I got you had to say. And I draw. Good morning. Hey, life. My job will be able to call here. Let's hit it again. Babe ma you dem fi say Dan Hamilton the Jumedi no abaso nyame ya adomo a nyame de chaya ne ya eye kwasiada ajomtofo ahodo na eba bomodo ne to ticket ne be yeah no Spinkters Road ya so ICGC So for Anthony Kujo, sorry if you honor Aya Calvary Temple. And 1 year, yes, Dr. Anthony Kujo, good morning. How are you? Asova Dixon, Pacho, good morning. I want to say here, my man, so here. ICGC, Coffee Radio. Okay, thank you very much. Meno Bejina, Nameno see. One more a whole bunch of information. Man, who knows some of the music can go. And the most of music can go Facebook for the that project in a union and the area. It will crowd the baby piano, very, very important. At the end of the year, turn about 13,000 euros. Ambulance for Ensawan prison. Say Yankupon way na fan. One between the DSC. And only asema and many mammy joy at the brew. Mama pledging in na Yadamase. Mama pledge, you know. Embran 10. Na ambulance no and another honor. One more Facebook the Muhun in a year. Cindy already was I love this song. I know. Which are home no original with you. Daughters of glorious Jesus. Say Yame Wayana fan. One bit to any ideas. I'm my number bio na support. Then Sawan Prisons Ambulance Project. 0244710311 Samuel Odamilabi. And I said 0509151010. very much. I love you. Arigato.
Only God can stop us now.
106.3 FM.
Jim FM 106.3.
Only God can stop us.